Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, your name. And today we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of companion planting, a horticultural practice as old as agriculture itself. For millennia, farmers and gardeners have observed that certain plants thrive in each other's company, forming mutually beneficial relationships. This intricate dance of nature, where one plant's strengths compensate for another's weaknesses, is what we aim to uncover today. Join me as we explore these remarkable partnerships, unlocking the secrets to a healthier, more vibrant, and ultimately more rewarding garden. Our first pairing takes us into the kitchen garden, where the tomato finds its perfect companion in the aromatic basil. Planted side by side, these staples enhance each other's growth and flavor. Basil's aroma deters tomato hornworms, while tomatoes provide shade for basil. Together, they improve soil fertility and enhance each other's flavor. Beneath the soil, the carrot finds a staunch ally in the pungent onion. The onion's sulfurous odor masks the carrot's scent, confusing the carrot root fly. In return, the carrot repels the onion fly. This interplay reduces pests and fosters a sustainable garden. Chapter 3. Our journey now takes us to the heartland of North America, where for centuries indigenous communities have cultivated a trio of plants known as the Three Sisters: corn, beans, and squash. This ancient agricultural practice, passed down through generations, exemplifies the principles of companion planting. The corn, with its tall stalks, provides a natural trellis for the climbing beans. The beans, in turn, with their ability to fix nitrogen from the air, enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients for the corn and the sprawling squash plants. The squash, with its large leaves, acts as a living mulch, suppressing weeds, conserving soil moisture, and deterring pests with its prickly stems. This remarkable trio, working in perfect harmony, creates a self-sustaining ecosystem, minimizing the need for external inputs and maximizing yields. Chapter 4. No exploration of companion planting would be complete without mentioning the marigold, a vibrant flower renowned for its pest-repelling properties. These cheerful blooms, with their sunny disposition, release a strong fragrance that confuses and deters a wide range of harmful insects. Their roots, too, contain compounds that suppress the growth of harmful nematodes, microscopic worms that can damage plant roots. Planted among vegetables, marigolds act as a natural barrier, protecting their companions from aphids, whiteflies, cabbage worms, and other common garden pests. Beyond their pest-repelling abilities, marigolds attract beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings, which prey on harmful insects, further strengthening the garden's natural defenses. Chapter 5. Our final pairing takes us back to the world of delectable flavors, where the juicy strawberry finds an unlikely but surprisingly effective companion in the leafy spinach. Planted together, these two seemingly disparate plants create a mutually beneficial microclimate. The spinach, with its low-growing habit, acts as a living mulch around the strawberry plants, keeping the soil cool and moist, essential for optimal strawberry growth. Strawberries, being shallow-rooted, are particularly susceptible to drought stress, and the spinach's shade-providing canopy helps to conserve precious soil moisture. In return, the strawberries, with their vibrant red fruits, attract pollinators to the garden, ensuring the spinach plants are adequately fertilized for optimal seed production. And as an added bonus, the spinach leaves help to keep the ripening strawberries clean and free from soil-borne diseases. As we've seen, the world of companion planting is filled with fascinating partnerships, each one a testament to the interconnectedness of nature. By understanding and harnessing these natural relationships, we can create thriving gardens that are not only productive but also in balance with the environment. Remember to experiment with different companion planting combinations in your own garden, observing the results and adapting your approach as needed. Each garden, like each ecosystem, is unique, and the most rewarding discoveries are often those we make ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of companion planting. Until next time, happy gardening.